Sean Warman. Inside row 4, we don't know who that 05 car is. I don't have a name on that driver. Outside of him, that is the second place car of 82X of Nate Swain.
Yeah, that 05 could be Noah Andrus.
Well, he's in that 5 car. Noah was in the last race. He was in the 5, but I don't know who's in that 05 car.
Okay.
So the lights on the car corner pace car are out. We're going racing this time by, folks. Here we go. Green flag, and we're racing.
And a nice little jump by the 75 machine out of McChesney Park, Illinois. Justin Hawkins, part of the Hawkins racing team. And we got some problems with that 55 machine.
Yeah, he just went from first to last.
Yeah, walling as we're going to go 4 wide into turn 4. Look at the trouble to the inside.
And second place and third place are battling like it was the championship final lap right there. Looks like 82X and Nate Swain might have some problems.
Yeah, not a good time for that second place to have the problems, jumping all the way back. But let's look at that leader in that 75 machine,
Eric,
Justin Hawkins.
Our second place points standings driver just went off the track. Hopefully he gets it figured out, but James Amendrud just almost went sideways here.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, that 05 of Jared Neal, not that 05 that's out there. The points leader is really licking his chops now. 4-point difference. And the second place man off the track, oh boy. Well, let's look at that 75 machine who's just running. Justin Hawkins, look at the space he has.
Yeah, he's got a teammate out there in the last race, Jeff Watson Jr., as they have the exact same paint style scheme and flip numbers.
Yeah, it makes it easy for us.
You got that right.
Because you can see the numbers, too.
Have to wonder if Beer Man out there is going to catch the 45. I don't know if he's going to catch Sean Hofstrom or not. It's going to be close. White flag out. I don't know if the 51's got enough in the tank to catch him.
1 to go.
We got a battle towards the back between Amendrud and Witt. As Amendrud just grabs the spot from Greg Witt. And here comes your winner. It's going to be 75 of Justin Hawkins.
Rolling in the second, the 45 of Sean Hofstrom. In third, the 51 of Sean Warman. We're believing that other 05 car slid in there. Rounding off your top 4.
Wow.
But that 75 machine is out of McChesney Park, Illinois. Hawkins Racing, the prime supporter for this 2003 Chevy Impala.
Let's go.
As soon as he gets out of there, race fans, this is his second heat win on the year. Let's give it up for the 75 of Justin Hawkins.